My name is Patience Bernard. I'm a caterer. We dey cook moi moi for AL Backyard Kitchen.
Do moi moi na do na for party na right.
Na time go reach now.
Thank you. Let's go. Hey, God of yes. Manja moi moi dada o. Imagine the money fi bread je. Mo de le fi ogi custard mo le fi custard no je. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ lè fi jẹ. So I want to buy beans for Momo. So how much is the beans?
Okay. Is it the beans?
Yeah.
Okay, 11,000.
11,000. Okay.
Yes.
So this one is 11,000.
This one.
Okay. You will be good for the Momo now.
Yes.
What is that?
I don't put this in now.
See.
See.
Yoruba.
I don't do it 3 times. 3 times.
3 times.
Ah.
It's not 2 times I see.
No.
I think that you use your hand like this.
No, next time.
Okay.
Market
Don't worry. If I come again, I'll enter market myself.
Don't worry. If you come next time, I'll kiss you over for you.
Why no fitting now so that I'll use it as my customer?
No, come next time. She don't mark my face like this. Come
I
next
don't
time.
mark your face, okay? So ni Baba. KKK. One kilo de. You don't come. Mélòó ni fẹ́ ta mẹ́ta báyìí? Ẹ kó wọ́n sọ. Ìṣẹ́yọ̀ kó wọ́n fà. Mẹ́ta rẹ̀ ni. Olórí bọ̀. Fífọ̀lì. Ẹ kó mẹ́ta yẹn sí. Mo kó mẹ́ta sí. Tí wọ́n kó mẹ́ta sí, ó máa jẹ́ ìlú báyìí. 3-6. Ó máa jẹ́ 3-6. Mọ́mọ́ yín rà. Èrè mọ́mọ́ ẹ wò sàlẹ̀ ń bi dẹ̀. Láti wọn náà dà. Orí ń sá. Ok, àwọn tó máa ta ẹja fresh one. Láti wọn láìní kejì rẹ̀ láìní báyìí. Sáńgà. Ok, màá rí wọn Titus àbí Titus rẹ̀. Ok. Ṣé tí máa ń ṣe nílé àbí ti rárá ń tà? Ní láìsí máa fẹ́ jẹ mọ́mọ́ ẹ. Ṣé nǹkan tó máa wà ń bẹ̀ àbí nǹkan tí máa fi jẹ? Nǹkan tẹ́ máa fi jẹ. Ẹ̀kọ́ àbí kí n pè é. Ok, ẹ̀kọ́ àbí òdì. Nínú bẹ́ẹ̀dì náà. Èyí táwọn èèyàn máa ń gbádùn jù. Ojú abẹ́ẹ̀kọ́. Ok. I want to go and buy fish for the moment. So let's go. I want to buy Titus. How many? Mom! Please, how much is the Titus now?
2.5 for one.
How much last now?
2.4. Can give you 5.5 last because I want to see next time. One is 2,000 last. Last. Only one by 100.
Please now.
I want to see you next time. I'm going to make me for you 5,500.
Yeah, bring it. Go buy look for Moi MOI.
I give you the fake one. I don't give you the original. So now Moi MOI. You see here now for the rich. Okay. I get rich fish, I get poor fish.
So this is the rich fish. What is now?
No, I don't talk say Station Market. The fish you cost. See how? So I can give you 3 for 5,000. 95,000, 50,000. This one will nourish. Buy this one, you will nourish. Now my want take and do. My don't sweet already. Buy this one. You get crayfish, you get onions, everything don't nourish. Buy this one, leave this one. No cost. This for the rich, this one for the talika. I'm better wallet. The one you have photo of Johnny. Man lay down. I want him also.
Check. Hello, Mama.
After you say my fish cost, I eat my park. Yeah. Yes. My balanced diet in the morning, making sense.
I'm about to wash the beans for the moi moi. So this is how we used to wash the beans. First of all, we pour the beans inside the bath, then we add water to it to make it soft a little bit. Then I'll bend down and wash it. When the beans is soft, I'll bend down and wash it. After washing the beans, the next step is to the pepper. I'll remove the head from the pepper. Then after removing everything, I'll wash it. After rinsing it, I'll pour it inside the beans that I wash. Then I'll put my crayfish, my onions. Then I'll go to the market and grind it. After grinding it, I'll come back. I'll wash this is my moi moi leaf that I'm going to use. I'll rinse it, remove all the dirty, the stick that is on the body. I'll wash everything. Then I'll put it inside a bowl. My fish, I'll parboil the fish and the egg. I'm going to use this also inside the moi moi. After grinding the moi moi, this is my groundnut oil. I'm going to put it, the maggi, the curry and the salt. Everything is going to be inside the moi moi. I'm going to wash my beans. First of all, I'll remove the water that I pour for the beans inside the bowl. I'll use my hand and scrub it and wash it very well. So this is how we wash our beans. Water to remove the dirty. I'll move the dirty out of the beans. Then I'll see whether the beans have already washed. So with this, I'm turning my water. I'm done with the washing. I want to pour it inside the pepper. So I'm done. We have ground it with the pepper, everything. So I'm going to use it with the, if I bought the fish, so I'll use the fish water. I'm going to put it inside the moi moi. So you turn it. Yes. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Which one? So I'm stirring it. Things it's perfect. So I want to wrap it inside my leaf. So this is how it goes. So this is, I'm putting it inside the leaf. Then my egg, my fish. Then I'm going to wrap it.
Bend it.
The other way.
Bend it like
Yes, yes.
Okay. And then there's a hole inside of
Yeah,
it.
yes.
What do you mean? I want to pour it now. Okay, how many of this do I do?
Use one and a little bit small.
One and a little bit small. Is that okay? Can I have mine with fish, please? I've washed my hands, though. Just to let you know, I washed my hands. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah.
Fish and egg. My sister doesn't like egg, oh. Ah, that's a big. That fish is big, oh. That's for Mr. Ini.
Okay, this is how we used to do our moi moi. After putting it inside the pot, we tie it like this, then we put it on top. So the thing will be fast. Do not waste time. So this is how we tie it. You drop it inside there. You take another one. Then you drop it inside there. Then we use the leaf and cover it. I want to bring out the leaf that I used to cover the moi moi. So I want to pack the moi moi outside and put it inside the cooler.
I like to eat my moi moi with Gary, Ijebu Gary, and then pap sometimes.
Let me see. This one. No, I'm just asking. So the whole point of AL is for us to have fun at work and also showcase Nigeria in an absolutely beautiful night. You're welcome to Lagos, but come and join us at AL Space in Surulere. Ooh, this is lovely. Oh my gosh. And it's just, look at that, got the fish. For those of you who like fish, for those of you who like egg. Are we all tasting, yeah? Does everyone have a fork? Yes or no? It's really hot. I've cut how many pieces? Taste now. Me?
Yeah.
The texture is beautiful. Just like I make myself. Thank you very much. This is just like I would make it myself. And I like the mixture of fish and egg. Some people that don't like egg, like my sister, she doesn't like egg. For me, I do. Mmm.